Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be unboxing Reolink security system. This is a professional grade security system, NVR system with the 8 cameras. It has 8 megapixel ultra high definition 8 dome camera, and this is on a different prices in the market. When you are buying this product, you should just check what all it is included in the package. So some of the products in the market have just the system only, or is a system with the 4 cameras, but this one has a 8 cameras. So it will be very helpful for the home or the office security, and plus it has very cool feature I will be showing you. This is the wired network system, and it is a PoE camera system, which mean like you don't need a separate cable for power the camera. So it is all through the Ethernet cable, so it gets the power from that cable, and it is very secure system. And on the night vision also it has a colored vision, so you can see clearly crystal video during the night time. And also the more important is that it has a speaker system, two-way audio system, so you can see on the camera and you can communicate to the any intruder, and you can say just to the any intruder, get off from my property. So this will be very helpful. So I will be showing you what's inside the box. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and if you have any question, just leave it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. So let's see what's inside the box. So let me show you what's inside the box. So let's open the seal. So the box is open. So this is the package inside, and this is, I guess this is the network video recording system, and it has these extra boxes. So these are for the camera system, and different packaging they have. So let me show you. See this one, it's let's see what they have put up, how the camera looks inside. So it is, each camera is packed in the box. I guess it is 2 cameras per box. See, this is the camera. I will show you the beautiful, it's a dome camera, so you can see that. So it has a spotlight also. This is the spotlight. Let's say if there is an intruder, it will be putting the spotlight on the intruder. So this is the camera, and it has this is the cover for the cabling, and this is the reset and the other. There is a water seal also, so that if you are putting outside, it will be quite helpful. So I will be showing you, like you can open up and see this one. This is a Ethernet cable connection here. So So the Ethernet cable will go there, and it has this kind of Ethernet cable, as you can see that. So they have provided this, and along with the waterproof case also. So this is the camera, and it can tilt. There is no automatic system. You can tilt the camera, and the base is like this. You can just twist and you can remove that. So this is the base, and they provide the screws also. So that is how you have to use that, and you can do it yourself also. Like, it don't need much of the effort, and you can easily install the camera yourself. So let me show you. This is the DVD system they have, and I will show you how is the system. So this is the NVR system, and I will show you. So this is the system they have provided. So this is the networking system. As you can see on the back, you can see these are the PoE cables, 8 connections, so which you need to use for each different camera. And this is the networking, because it is a wired network, so you have to put up the LAN system here. And this is the USB point for your mouse to use the system, and this is the HDMI point, and this is the VGA connection, and this is the eSATA. Mean if you have to extend the hard drive, it can support 12 terabyte. And this is the power on and off, and this is the DC in for the power, and this is the audio out. So that is how the system is. On the front also there is a USB, and if you have to store the data, transfer the data for any clipping, anything, so you can use that system. So now this is the app I need to install, Reolink. This app I need to install this. So my app is downloaded now, so I have to click start, agree to the terms and condition. See, I have set up the Rio home security app, and I can see that you can see the same camera. I can show you here. See, I can see on my app, and all the cameras I can see on my app. So that way it will show you like channel 4, 5, 6. There is no camera yet, so that is why it is showing a blank one. So but here you can see that all my cameras you can see here. See, this is the notification you will receive. So for each of the camera you can set up the notification, what sort of notification you want. This is the video quality, and it is the video from monitor. I will be showing you the actual video also to show the sample video, like how good is the video quality. See, this camera inside view is a colored, and outside view it looks black and white, but when there is a spotlight on, it will give you the full color picture. I will show you. So I went to my backyard. There is a camera, so as soon as it detects any intruder, so the spotlight is on, and I will show you the difference now in the video quality. And it is colored camera now. See, you can see the green plants, everything. So it is a colored picture now. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and if you have any question, just leave it in the comments. I will be happy to answer.